God sent somebody alongside of me to network for me. So if you don't know me, I have a solo cleaning business. I've been doing it for about 5.5 years. And I just wanted to come on and share a little story with you guys. So on Friday, I had a client in the afternoon that I needed to go and clean her house. So I went inside of the home to clean, and my client was telling me about an event that they were having in her community. Now, this is a retirement community, so she said they were having an event. So, that I should go check it out. I was like, okay, thank you. So I started cleaning the home, and a little bit later on, she came to me again and she said, I'm going to leave the information about the event here so you can just know a little bit about it. So I said, okay, thank you. Now, I was exhausted that day because I didn't get much sleep the night before, but anytime I hear something more than one time, it's something in me that's like, maybe you need to go. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go. Maybe there's something for me. Maybe there's something I need to hear. Of course, there's always something that I can learn. So I went home after I got finished. I got dressed and I went to the event. Now, I may not seem like a shy person, but around a lot of people, I get a little bit nervous and anxious. That's just, it's always been that way, but I have gotten better. So I sit down at the table by myself, and now, mind you, I don't care what type of event I'm going to, even if I'm not planning on networking in a business way, I'm always going to have my business cards. So I put some business cards in my pocket. So I sit at the table. There's women coming up to me because, of course, they know I'm not a part of this community because it's a retirement community, right? It's like maybe 55 or 65 and older. So I say, well, I have a cleaning business, and one of my clients said, maybe I'd like this event. I should check it out. So I decided to come. So when I said I have a cleaning business, that automatically was like, oh, really? Do you have any business cards type of thing? Of course. Oh, cool. So she goes to the next table and she starts telling them she has a cleaning business. Let me get another one of those cards. Sure. Again, I didn't go to this event to hand out business cards. I went to this event for the type of event it was, to learn, to get some education on some things, right? So I had already planned, since I'm a nervous person, maybe I need to give out some business cards, but maybe I'll go, when it's time to leave and everybody's walking outside, maybe I'll just stand out there a little bit and just say, hey, if you're in need of a cleaning business, here you go. But when one young lady had came up to me, she literally started networking for me. She literally, every time I turned around, hey, she has a cleaning business. You might need some cleaning. Get one of her cards. And she also was like, also, if there may be, leave some cards on the table, network a little bit, whatever. You guys, sometimes God will send somebody alongside of you. I don't know the reason I was supposed to go to this event. I don't know if I was supposed to meet some new clients. I don't know if it was to help me to get out of my comfort zone. I don't know. All that I know is I stepped out because I felt like maybe this was something I need to attend. And when I stepped out, God sent somebody alongside of me to network for me. And not only that, what she did was it allowed me to feel comfortable enough to start networking for myself. I don't care how long you've been in this business. I still get a little bit nervous if I have to be in a networking type environment where there's a lot of people. If you're thinking about starting a cleaning business, step out and try it. Step out of your comfort zone. Of course, I tell everybody prepare first, but you got to step out of your comfort zone and trust that God is going to do it. He's going to make a way for you. He's going to bring somebody alongside of you to help you.